This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Nissan Rogue. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, a new oil filter, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type of new engine oil, typically 0W20 and about 4.8 quarts. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin. Now, let's get to draining the old oil. Carefully locate and remove the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Let all the old engine oil drain completely into your designated pan. This might take several minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug securely, making sure it's tightened to the manufacturer's specifications to prevent leaks. Next, it's time to replace the filter and add fresh oil. Use an appropriate oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug. Finally, add the recommended amount of fresh engine oil through the oil fill cap. For the final steps, start your engine and let it run for a minute, then check for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, and then verify the oil level using the dipstick. Top up if needed. Remember to properly dispose of your used engine oil at an authorized recycling center. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.